Welcome back! I hope you took some time to look over the handout I gave you and to watch the videos in Blend Space. So remember, we are looking at the Big 6 process. Think about how you did on the pre-assessment. Did you know a few answers? Hopefully by the end of this lesson, you will know all of them. I gave you a Big 6 lesson handout. The handout has all the steps to the Big 6 model. I also added some resources I found to give you additional information in the process. The first resource is from Eugene Ashley High School. They provide a list of the steps with some clear definitions. The second link provides the tasks and also provides a list of questions to ask yourself. These questions are great to ask yourself to help you determine if you are on the right track. The third link takes you to a detailed slideshow on the Big 6 model. The fourth link is from Thompson Middle School, and I really loved the resources they added. They provide a link to the official Big 6 website and a link to the Big 6 and 21st Century Info Literacy Skills. This links the Big 6 with the AASL and the National Education Technology Standards. There is also a helpful video on the Big 6 process. The last link is similar to the second link. It includes the task and questions to ask yourself, but it also adds feelings experienced. So the first step in the Big 6 is task definition. This means you determine what you're supposed to do. This can help determine what your research project is about. You also decide what you're supposed to do for your project. The next step is information seeking strategies. This is when you start making your list of sources. Think about where you can find them, what sources are appropriate for your project. Make sure that they are the best sources for your research project. For step 3, you will start finding your sources. Make sure your sources are repeatable. If you use journals or articles, make sure that they are peer-reviewed and scholarly. This means that they're reviewed by experts in the field of your journal or article. Make sure to find information in text and to cite these sources. Step 4 is when you will decide what information is important and pertinent to your research. You want this information to fit your topic and address your main idea. Make sure to take good notes. This is a time that index cards would be useful. Now is the time to synthesize. This means that you start to organize your research notes. Use your index cards and write an outline based on the information on those cards. Determine what your main points are. Step 6 is for evaluation. This means that you look at the quality of your work and the work process. Ask yourself, what did you do well and what can you improve on? Be honest with yourself. Make any necessary corrections. You've now reached the end of our Big 6 lesson. I hope you learned some useful information today. Let's recap the lesson. Identify your assignment. Make a list of sources you find. Locate them. Determine the best information to use. Organize your notes. Evaluate your work. Follow these steps and you should be able to create an A+ research project. If you ever have any questions about research, I am always here in the library to help. Thank you and have a great day.